So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a TikTok video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, as you guys can tell, I have a video right here, just an example video from InShots. Now, if you wanted to make it a TikTok video, go to where it says Canvas and press on that. Make sure that aspect ratio is selected, and just scroll down to where you see the TikTok logo right here, or the 9:16 aspect ratio. Go ahead and press on that, then press on the check mark. So once you're here now, and it will now format the video into a TikTok video frame, which you can then save and upload and edit to TikTok. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make a TikTok video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.